Hello, my name is Prema, and I'm part of a unique worldwide process called the Path of Love. It's so common these days for us to have a feeling that we're somehow not living the life we're meant to live, that something is stuck within us and we can't access the joy or the passion that's needed to really move forward in our lives. And so we often look outside of ourselves for the change. A new job, a new relationship, a new city to live in. And that was my life several years ago. I had everything that should be needed to be happy, and I wasn't. And I knew that this was familiar. I knew I had been there before, and I knew I was stuck, and I didn't know how to get out on my own. And luckily, I found the path of love. And they gave me the tools to move through this old pattern in my life, to connect deeply with myself, to find out who it is that I am and what I wanted. And when you're able to clear out that old stuff, all this energy gets created for the life you are truly meant to live. So, if this sounds interesting to you, if you'd like more information, please visit our website, pathretreats.com. There you can find out all about the work that we do, you can schedule a call with a retreat advisor, and you can request more information. So thank you, and I look forward to seeing you at a Path of Love soon.